Here are your financial New Year resolutions for 2024. Are you ready? Every year you make the same New Year's resolutions and every year you fail. But this year is different. We're going to take the most overused New Year's resolutions and translate them into financial goals that can actually improve and scale your e-commerce business. Number one, cut the fat. This is not another failed diet resolution for 2024. I am talking about cutting the fat of your business. Every single expense that you have needs to be thought of, and you need to trim any places that you can, because in 2024, having a successful e-commerce business is not the same as it was in 2020. You need to make this work by being lean, by rethinking about every single expense and focus on profitability. If an expense is not bringing you the value that you need, it's time to let it go. New Year's resolution number 2. Set a goal that motivates you. And I'm talking about a goal for your business. So focus on your top KPIs, your top metrics that tell you how your business is doing, which are your gross margin, your contribution margin, your net profit, and your cash flow. If you know these metrics, these are the ones that can really tell you about the health of your business and whether or not it's sustainable. So know what these numbers are and then focus on a goal for each of these numbers to improve it, even if it's just a little bit. Financial New Year's resolution number 3. Know your worth. And here I'm talking about the worth of your brand and the worth of your product. If you do not price your products correctly, you could actually be losing money on every sale that you make. It all comes down to unit economics. Understand the unit economics and make sure that you're pricing your products in order to realize a profit on every single unit sold. Financial New Year's resolution number 4. Get organized. And here I'm obviously talking about getting your finances organized, which is something that is very near and dear to my heart. And not just because I work at Finaloop, but it is because I speak to brands all the time who are spending so much time and money on a bookkeeping service and on a bookkeeping system that does not work and doesn't provide them with the value that they need. Get your process organized. It doesn't need to be super stressful for you. Bookkeeping doesn't need to be stressful. Taxes don't need to be stressful. They may not ever be fun, but they don't need to be stressful. So get that organized. Resolution number 5, reduce your waste. I have seen so much money left on the table because you don't have your tax structure or your tax goals optimized. Think about where you want to be in the next 3 years, in the next 5 years, and how you can create a tax structure that really makes sense for you to reach your goals. Think about ways to optimize your taxes and stop leaving money on the table. The last New Year's resolution I have, number 6, is to stay positive. Focus on your positive net income and make sure that you actually have profitability. Focus on positive cash flow and make sure that your cash flow can actually sustain your business. I'm wishing all of you positive vibes and a positive 2024. Happy New Year.